Once upon a time, in a big pond surrounded by tall grass,
Shadows where the wild vines creep.
a little duckling named Daisy lived with her family, and
He whispers, rivers hum a tune.
Daisy loved to explore and was curious about the world beyond the pond.
Quacking in the jungle.
One sunny day, while chasing butterflies, Daisy wandered too far and got lost.
Trees, wings spread.
As the sun began to set, Daisy realized she couldn't find her way back to the pond.
Living the wild life.
She felt scared and alone. Suddenly,
Where the crocs all stare.
she heard a rustling sound and saw a friendly turtle named Tim.
Jumping over logs.
"Don't worry," said Tim. "I'll help you find your way home."
Flying high in the jungle arcade.
Tim guided Daisy through the forest, asking other animals for directions.
Dodging the tiger swim.
A wise owl pointed them toward a path that led to the pond. Along the way, Daisy and Tim faced
Duck in the jungle.
challenges, like crossing a stream and climbing over a fallen tree.
Parrots all sing.
But they worked together and finally found their way.
King through the tangled vine.
When Daisy saw her family waiting by the pond, she quacked with joy.
Got dreams too wild to stay.
She thanked Tim for his kindness and promised to be more careful.
Fearless and free.
The animals celebrated with Daisy's family, and Daisy learned that being
Spread wide, yeah.
cautious and having good friends makes adventures safer and more fun.
Living the wild life. Duck in the jungle. Living
Moral of the story: good friends always help us, and we should listen to our elders.